Yeah. Buick. The Sabre. We're going to change the hub out it, and I'm going to try to record myself doing it. You know, you take the tire off. You start taking the axle nut off. It's a 3/4 big socket or 32 or something like that. One of them big sockets or whatever. I got all 3 of them. So what size this is? It's a 36. 36. That a 34, 35. All of them are fitted too. I used the 36. That's what I had. So I'm gonna take that off. Take that off. Then I got 3 bolts behind it. But I'm gonna try to set the camera up so I can at least see. So y'all can see what I'm doing. See, I need a stand. Why don't I get a stand when I want to make a video? No telling. Let's try it and see. Hopefully it works. It might work, it might not. It might work and it might not. If it record, I'll post it. Yeah, it look like it might work. But yeah, I already got that nut loose. Put that up in there. Trying to shock it, get a little looseness. That's what I'm trying to do. Get a little looseness so I can try to get that son of a gun out of there. Let's see if it'll spin. Yep, easy. It's just half the stuff I be doing on me recording, but we're gonna try it and see. Yeah, so we ain't speeding up the process or none of that. Just record. Then it's cool out here. Once you get that nut out. Oh, that's a 27. That little nut right there. I mean that little screw. 27. This like a 30. This already look. I had already took a look. Like a 34, 35. But see what you want to do. Put it on there a little bit. Save your threads. Take hammer. You shook it loose inside. That way when you get ready to take it out, it ain't that bad. Alright, now what you want to do, you gotta take the brake caliper off. So reach back there. Oh, them bolts ain't that big. But I'm gonna turn the wheel so it'll make it easy. Jack it up a little bit. Damn. You breaking dope, man. It feels like it's like a 14 or something. Let's see what size it is. It's a 15. It is a 15. Now, most people, they take the caliber and all that shit off separate. I ain't taking all that off, nah. So, we ain't gotta worry about it like that. So, push up, take it off. The plug is already unhooked. It was already tore off when I got here, so that ain't on me. My job, put it on. Speed up the process a little bit. Take that bolt out. I'll leave it in a little bit. Go to the bottom. Crack that son of a gun open. Yeah, like that. Just like that. Now did what I like to do. I grab my pry bar. Grab me a good old pry bar. Stick up in there. I'm just loosening the brake caliper up. That's all. Just loosen the brake caliper up a little bit. That way, when I take the rotor and shit out, all that off, it'll be ready. Bolt. Lift up. Bolt. Slide. Yeah, we just gonna get it to the side. We don't put no pressure on it, let it hang. We ain't doing all that. We just set it back up in here. Set it on something. You don't want to let it hang. You'll tear the line. Slide the caliper off. Or the rotor, I mean. There you go. We got that. Now, get to the bolts at the back. Let's see what size they is. They look like, you got 3 bolts, about a 14. It look like it's a 14, might be a 13, I don't know. But let's see. That one feel good. What that is? They 13s. They 13s. So they 13 bolts. It's 3 of them. 3 of them back here. Remember, go slow and up. I could have used the impact. It's in the trunk. I ain't in no rush today though. It's Sunday. But yeah. See, I got it loose, I can hand turn it. Then I go to the next one at the top. Let's see, can I get in there? Yep. I get in there, get on top of it. Go slow with it. You don't want to fuck up now. Go slow. Go slow. Once you get it going, it's good though. Yep. Oh yeah, that was real good. You could use an extension on it to help you out too. I ain't putting no extension on it, bro. I just take the time. Yeah. Bolt. And need one more. I got 2 of them loose. Need one on the other side. Let's go in there and turn the wheel. A little more. I might can get to it. Now we got time to do it. Check it out. Make sure that's still good? Yeah. Okay. Make sure it ain't in no pressure point or nothing like that. Find what you need. Find that bottom bolt. Okay, you already ready? Go with it. There we go. taking it off. It ain't nothing. Double working, baby. Double working it. The front and the back. Alright, got it loose. Take your hammer. Oh yeah, she ready now. There you go. He ain't got no wires in there. Probably wire went out. I always like to check this out. Rub it down a little bit. Get some of that grit out of there. Make sure that wasn't there. Yep, that's pretty much it. Man, what a... Oh. Yeah, pretty much it. Hopefully it got it. Yeah. Now repeat the process. Got your new one. It was on my box that I was using. Took the old one in there. I ain't doing nothing with it. It ain't mine. It ain't mine. Put that in there. Trying to do this one-handed. No. Shoo. Got the connectors and all that on there. They probably ordered it from offline or something. Yeah, that's the old piece. That ain't nothing. This is what you want. That's what you want right there. Let's start this one. That's what you want. See that plug? This probably his problem though, but I don't know. You know, that's not for me to say. But he said he heard noise. I change it. So he hear roaring noise. Change him out. All right, let's get to it. Let me see, can I prop y'all back up? About right there. Hopefully y'all can see. Yeah. Take your time putting it on. Remember, this got to go back on there. You know, they go like that. Stick one of them bolts just to hold it. Another bolt. Bolt. All right. Here comes the tricky part. This son of a gun. Whew. Gotta pick this rascal up. Get this in there like this. Let's see which way we're gonna turn this. Probably like that. We're gonna go like that. Wait. Which side the pin go on? No, let me see. Yeah. See, the thing really go down here. Huh. But hey, why is this like that? Somebody must be working on it before I did. Don't know why it's down there, but we're gonna put it on. Make sure you don't get your wires. Tuck your wire. Get your wire in there first. Try to get past that damn CV axle. That's what I'm trying to get it past. Oh yeah, we in there now. And push that so I'm going in there. Now you want to get one of the back bolts to start. Headbutt. Get one of them back bolts to start, you'll be alright. Yep. Oh yeah, I got one started somewhat. I'm gonna take my get my knee out of my way. get one to start. Kind of pull it in. Gotta have to get them started right there. That's how you do it. I got one started. Oh yeah. And try to line the other ones up. That's how you do it. Just go one at a time. Start on another one now. And give me a small extension. Give me a small extension because I'm trying not to turn the wheel too much. Because I'm trying to go on and get them started. Wait, hold on. Wait, I can turn the wheel. I can turn the wheel, yeah. We'll just turn the wheel. Make it easy. Yeah, we'll make it easy. Turn the wheel. Yeah, turn the wheel. See, look, I got that out the way. That ain't hitting nothing. So that's good. Once you get them started, you're good. Look up in the hole. Make sure you got it started. Oh yeah, I definitely got it started. There's two out of the three. Oh yeah. But, oh wait, don't tighten them too much. I mean, well, don't tighten them before you get all of them in. So make sure you get all of them in, and then tighten them. So keep that out the way. A shorter 13 would definitely help. You know, on this part. But I'm tired of going to my toolbox. It's really taking too long. Normally I've been through, but I'm trying to record. You know, put that on there. Yeah, oh yeah, we got it now. Yeah. You see it. We go all the way in with that one, because I got the other two started. I got the other two started. It's over with. Yeah, that's what I like. Yeah. I'm gonna straighten it back up so I get to that back bolt. See, I get to the back bolt. The back bolt was easy to get to. And then look, yep, I could twist that like it ain't nothing. I know an impact be like, you know, gonna get you on there, but it was already in there, so I had already did it. Yeah. Now you put some muscle on it. Try to, don't break it though, for real. Just get it tight. Tight like that. Got them in there, baby. Got them in there. Go back, check. Okay. Brake caliper. Make sure that's in the right position. Because the brake caliper got to go there. So, take your nut. Screw your nut back on. You know, you really are reversing the process. You know, most people don't show all that. You reversing the process. Yep, reverse the process, baby. That's all what I'm doing. With it, see that little guide hole? Wait a minute. Oh, it had weird sensors on it too. That what that was for. That was for. That what that was for. Or is it? Something's off. I think I got this in the wrong position. But the brake caliper go there. This has to go somewhere. Where would this go? Do I supposed to remove that? Let's read the instructions. Yep. Design for metal clip, plastic clip included. Please make sure to use the proper clip. All right. Because that's in the way. What kind of crap is that? Am I putting it? That is weird. That probably what he was in scrub. Why is it chrome inside? Oh, shit. That one was scrubbing. Okay. Let's see what we got. Because this don't go on there like that. So we gotta see. We gotta sit back and think. We ain't cutting nothing. We ain't cutting nothing because this is in my way. That is in my way. But the brake caliper go right there. So something gotta be twisted. Let's go back and check. Let's go back and check. Yeah, let's go back and check. Let's go back and check. We can make a long video. For real. Making mistakes and keep on going. Let's take it out. This is in the way. I don't know why the hell is in the way though. Cause this go right there. I ripped that son of a gun off. Hey, trying to figure out which way this son of a bitch go. Oh, my slow self. I put it on backwards. My bad. Don't do what I just did. My slow self. I put it on backwards. This go behind it. Slow. Yep, that was my bad. Hey, it ain't a how-to video. Is it? No. I put it on backwards. Yep. Okay, we're gonna title this video. Watch me make mistakes and fix them. Yeah, I put it on backwards. It's all good. That's what it was. Yeah. We'll try to speed up then since I put it on backwards. I'm supposed to be through. Yep, put it on backwards. I didn't even know I put it on backwards till a few minutes ago. I said, damn, something off with this. But it fell out, so, you know, hey. It fell out. Pull it up. Now we gotta pretty much do the same thing we just did all over. Put it on backwards. Make sure it's still recording. Is it recording? Yep. I put that on backwards. Put it on backwards. I wonder why it looked so weird. Ugh. Yep, that son of a gun backwards. Whew. Gonna get that out there. But guess what? Now it's gonna be twice as fast. Because now you know not to put it on backwards. Alright. Take it back out. Can't see. Yep. Take it out. Be careful. You still got the wire. That's what that wire's for. It's a good thing I look. Look. Take it. I didn't see that. Make sure you pay attention to that. I had it on backwards. This in the back. That was a little clip for to hold the stupid wire. My bad. Look at that. That looks way better. It was definitely on backwards. Definitely. But hey, we trying to record, messing it up. But you get the picture. Yes. Now you gotta we squeeze that clip back by there. There we go. Oh, trying to get it beside this axle. Axle really in the way. We want the clip on this side. So the hook will stay in one spot. Axle in the damn way. You could pull the axle out, but ain't nobody doing it. I'm not doing all that. I'm not getting paid top dollar. Shoot. So we'll try to squeeze it by this axle somehow. The axle big as hell. So maybe we gotta do it like this and spin it. The axle just don't want to act right. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. There we go. Alright, there we go. Whew. Axle don't want to act right, buddy. Line that back up. There you go. Line everything back up now. We should be alright now. Start your bolts back up. There you go. Yep. Once you start your bolts back, you got the plug on that side, the things flip right, put it back together. Now that rotor will go back on like it ain't nothing there. This bolt, yeah. Start your bolts back. Get that something going. Remember, tighten them up get them snug. Get them all in there. At least 2, and then you can turn it to the other way, but you know. See how I was pulling it up? Oh yeah, remember use your extension for the top. I'm gonna put them on there because I know it's gonna go. There we go. Go back to the bottom. That's way better. See, look at it. Way easier. Stick the nut. Well, you know, we gotta turn the wheel, then we'll do it. Way better. That was that plug for. Yep. Start it with your fingers first. Yeah, here we go. Then stick the nut on it. There you go. Yep. You're tightening the 3 bolts back up. Yeah. We in we in gonna get through mode now. Yeah, we in there. Gonna get that shit on there. We ain't got time now. We done killed enough time with that little delay. Put that on there. Go. Damn, see, that's what I need to bring impact out for, but my last impact is broke. It broke the thing, so I try not to use it because the torque settings on it is super high. I got a breaker bar through, so I'm gonna get it tight. I'm just pulling the axle back in there. That's all I'm doing. Pulling the axle in. Yeah. They just snug. They just snug though. We're gonna get some of this stuff did. We're gonna get this stuff back together. Remember, line the hole back up. So you should go right on there now. Look at it. Yep, I did that. Right here, dog. Put the screw back in. Hold it. You could put a lug on it to keep the rotor from moving. Yeah. There you go. Snug it so you won't break it off. Remember. Alright, now you gotta put the caliper back on. Don't forget, I still gotta plug it up too. Get your brake caliper, slide it back over. Take your 2 bolts. Line it up. I got one started, yep. One bolt started. Other bolt. Adjusted a little bit. Oh yeah, it's going. Take your what that was, the 15? I think that was the 15. Yeah, it was 15. Yeah. Tighten them up. Make sure you're going the right way. Yeah. Am I going the right way? Yeah. Yeah, I'm going the right way. I had to make sure. Let me see, can I do the rest of it with one hand? I'm tightening that bolt up down there. It's a nice little video right here, 34. Details of how to mess it up a little bit, but get that son of a gun tight. Start on the top. We all live, cutting, no cutting action. So I'm gonna do a little. Well, the caliper bolts are 15s. That hood nut bolt right there is like a 34 or 36. You know, axle socket, the big black ones, the industrial kind. The hub assembly bolts, make sure they're tight. Make sure that's tight. I still got to tighten it up. The hub assembly bolts are 13s. You know, the ones that go in the back of the hub are 13s. See, remember I had this on the front backwards? That's what this little thing for. Look at that. That slides right on. So we're going to pop that out. And we're going to slide that in. And then we're going to plug it up. See? Plug go on this side. See the plug go on this side right there. Now, they got this. I don't know what they got going on. But I'm going to do it the right way. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to pop that out. I'm going to pop that out and slide that on and put this up here to that spot better. Find some something to pop that little tip out. These will work. Yeah, they should. Pop right on down. Look at it. See, the axle shouldn't get it now. This right here, bag up there, right there, pops out like that. So like this. Wait, which side they going? Make sure it go on the right side. Plug it up, doo-doo, just like that. All right, this is, I don't know what they had going, but I think they go, oh, that's what, that thing that dry rotted. That's all dry rot, it's just brittle. Look at that. It just falling loose. Yeah. We're gonna do it like that. What we got? Okay, okay, that's a tight spot. That's better. Yeah, is that tight? Yeah. Yeah, that's tight. Yeah, see, it's out the way. It's out the way and stuff. So that should be good right there. Look at that. Fix that. Up in there. You know to tighten this up. Well, if you don't know, I'm telling you. Finish tighten this up. Put the tie back on. Reset the engine light. And that's pretty much how you change a hub assembly on most Buicks. This is a LeSabre. I mean a Lucerne. Park Avenue is the same way and stuff too. Alright. I'm gonna finish tightening it up, put the tie on, reset the light. Alright, that's the end of this video. Yeah.